how to hide a picture album in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then we go back to the gallery homepage. From here, tap on albums. Next, we tap on the more button at the top here, and then tap on hide albums. In here, select the albums that you want to hide. So let's say I want to hide this IT Jungles 2025. So I tap on that to hide it. Then I tap on the back key. Now you can see it's hidden. So even if I tap on the view all button, it will not show in here. And that's it. If you want to bring it back, you need to turn off the toggle button to bring it back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.